Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in craigslist.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with logging in. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which you can browse through various different ads and also create your own. Now, if you run across an ad that is suspicious, or if you are getting too much emails from a singular seller and you wish to block them, then there are a few different ways to do this. Just find and open up any ad from this user and then click on the reply button at the top section. You will find the email address that you can use to contact this seller. Just click on the copy button and this will be copied to your clipboard. You can then add their email address directly within your blocked list, or you can also open up this email from this user that you have within your inbox. Once you open this email, just click on the three dots at the right side of this email and you will see the block option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this email address. Click on the block button once again and now this user will be blocked from sending any more emails on your Craigslist. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block someone on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.